Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the profits that I've had made, over the past few weeks, selling stuff. I want to let you guys see some of my stuff that I purchased and I flipped, you know some good tricks, some tips, and some items, so that way you guys could see what to look for when you guys out there thrifting or on tax sales, state sales. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys some of the stuff that I have here, some cool items here. I'm gonna start with the sterling plate that I just purchased in a stack sale. This plate I bought it for $1. You see all this marking, sterling, of the good marks that are collectors out there, and eBayers and stuff like that. They want to see, when they buy sterling, they want to make sure that it's actually marked. Other than that, some other people will not, believe that it's sterling. You have to put that kind of doubt with some items. So you want to show proof, but these are things that you want to keep in mind. You want to look when you go to a tax sale or a Goodwill or a thrift store. You want to make sure you see the profit is there, $127.50. And this plate I bought it for $1. That was a really good buy. So I bought this in a tax sale. The lady had it on the table. She didn't know exactly what she had, or some people did just buy things and over the years they forget what they have and they just put them out there on the table for $1 or $2 because they just want to, just make some quick cash. So keep out there looking. There's always stuff to look for. Sterling silver is very hot on eBay right now. You can sell a lot of sterling silver, make good profits. So if you're out there, keep your eyes open for sterling silver. This is really good items and hot items right now. I'm also going to be showing you guys another one. It's this Omega watch. Beautiful watch. So this watch, I came across of this watch in Goodwill. So I'm going to be showing you a few pictures of them, and you're going to see is, the inside, the back, how good quality. And Omega are really well watches, well known. They're really good watches. And I bought this watch, I believe, for $5 in Goodwill. They had it in the display case. They had a couple of watches, the watches that they were at $5. So, I asked the lady, let me see. I saw the price. I saw that it was running, and of course, it's Omega. It was marked. It had all the great markings on it. So I took the chances. $5. This is definitely not a bad deal for this watch. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of the watch. I'm showing you a couple of pictures so you guys can see. Beautiful watch all around. It's a nice, very collectible watch. Very collectible watch. See how clean the case is. The dial is very clean. I'm also look at the mechanism, how beautiful it looks. It's a nice watch. I'm telling you, a lot of collectors out there collect Omega watches. And you can see the profit in the bottom there is $280 for $5 that I paid for this watch. Come on, you can't beat that. That's why I always say when you go to this place, you just keep digging, keep looking, look carefully, always buy smart, buy cheap and make a good flip. Don't go out crazy paying crazy prices to only make $20, because that's not how this game works. You're trying to go stay low as you can, so you can make a good profit at the end. It makes it feel good once you make that profit. So here we go. I'm gonna show you one more item that I have. I like to collect, this custom jewelry. This one right here. This is a center bracelet. This is probably were made from the 50s. All the way to the 60s, 70s, they still make this, this particular custom jewelry is still out there. But, the vintage ones are very collectible. They're hot items, you could find them out there. They are worth some good money right now. People are collecting this custom jewelry, especially this piece. So I bought this for $1 in a Goodwill. And as you can see some pictures, it's a very nice bracelet. Like I said, jewelry collectors are collecting this type of stuff. And for $1, I sold her for $27, I believe. It's a clean profit. Only like I'm almost 100% profit because I bought it for $1.27. So it's a nice piece, you know. Like I said, these pieces are out there. You just gotta look carefully at the stuff when you go. I mean, I like to do a lot of antique, vintage stuff. I stick to jewelries, you know, sterling silver, watches, stuff like that. But I also do, you know, other kind of antiques, you know. Just gotta keep your eye open at all time. You know, dig, you know, make research. You know, sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty digging around just to look for items. But you know, they are out there. Just gotta find them. You know, that's what makes it fun. You know, you gotta go out there, hunt for treasures, hunt for, you know, vintage stuff or collector stuff that people like. And trust me, you will find them. And you know, it's nothing better when you buy something for $1 and it's worth $100 or $200. It's a good feeling. You know, it makes you feel good. It makes you want to go back out there, you know, the next day or the next weekend to a tax sale, estate sale, or maybe a thrift store, one of your favorite thrift stores to, you know, to go back. But there is treasure out there. We just gotta find it. And like I said, I like to stick to jewelry. I'll be also showing you another lot that I purchased, you know, in different tax sales and different state sale. So here are some of the stuff right here. As you can see, this is a sterling silver lot. There's a lot of jewelry stuff in here. You got necklace, you know, bracelets, all this cool stuff, you know, a lot of signed pieces, Navajo pieces. You got some Tasco pieces in there, you know, that are very collectible. Tasco and Navajo is very collectible. If you got old sterling stuff, always, you know, if you got solutions to clean them up, you clean them up nicely, you know, present them nice, and you will get good buyers. A lot of these pieces I probably pay like tops, I want to say maybe like $5 tops. But most of these pieces I probably find them for $1, 50 cents, 25 cents. Yeah, you'll be surprised how cheap some people will be selling their jewelry. They just throw them in the pile, you know. They just give you a random price. So this is really cool items, you know. I probably got invested no more than $25 to $30 in here. And as you can see, the profit was pretty good on this item. I think I made a really good profit out of it. And sterling silver always is a hot item and it always give you good money. $275 for about $30 I probably spent on this thing. You cannot beat that. Like I said, it might take me, I don't know, probably like a month to put this lot, but you know, if you're a person that got the time to be out there on the thrift stores and tax sales, a lot of time you probably could pull it off faster. But you know, since I got a regular job, I gotta, you know, once I'm off or on the weekends, I go, you know, hunting for treasure. I go scouting some of the stores. But you know, it's fun. It's fun. It's in, you know, I find it interesting. I find it fun. You learn as you go. You know, the more you do it, the more you're gonna learn. Like some of these pieces, you probably see them around. You probably won't even look at them, but if you keep grabbing a little by little, you add a pile, you add a lot, you present them nice, put them on eBay, put them offer up, whatever you know you prefer, you know, to sell. I like eBay for when I got lots like this sterling silver because there's a lot of buyers for sterling silver in eBay. You will definitely sell anything that's sterling silver. I guarantee you will do good on it. This is very, very good right now. So, like I said, just if you're using like offer up or using the marketplace, I would suggest you to meet at a nice, safe place. Make sure that it's public. Don't bring them to your house. You know, you don't want them to know where you live at. And you know, I'll be posting some other videos. You know, I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up, please share. You know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.